Settle into a comfortable seated position and close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it at the top and exhale. Coming to this present moment, to your body, feeling the here and now. Taking another deep breath in, inhale through your nose. Hold it at the top. Hold it. And exhale through your mouth. We are arriving on this beautiful Sunday morning to many of you, and Sunday afternoon for me. And we're going to take a few moments to just feel really, really comfortable and present in our bodies. Let go of everything that has happened so far during this weekend. Probably your mind is not full of thoughts, hopefully, since still it's in the morning. But yet I invite you to just drop everything that has been going on in your life and just come to our circle, to this moment with us, with your soul sisters and brothers. Let's focus on our breath. Feel how, as you're inhaling this breath, life force energy moves through your body and the air comes to your lung, fills with fresh air. And as you exhale, it goes out. And this repeating cycle. You can also invite you to put one of your hands on your heart space and the other on your belly. Just feeling this physical vehicle that is here to support us, to help us learn and grow. Now just relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your jaw, all the tightness that you might hold on in your body. Look for that part in your body where you might feel a little bit tight, or you feel like you might be holding on to something, and dissolve that. Let go of it. And I would like to invite you to focus on your third eye, as we're going to do some visualization today. Let's imagine that you're walking in a forest, but it's not a usual forest. It's winter time. And the snow, it has just snowed. And you can see this gorgeous, gorgeous view as you are walking on the top of a hill or mountain. You're walking there, there's some trees around you. And as you look around, you see everything covered in white. Everything is just so peaceful, calm. As you look around, you feel like you're in a winter wonderland. You feel like this is the place of Santa Claus. And as you're walking, feeling snowflakes touching your skin, your face. And even though it's cold outside, you feel perfectly okay and not cold at all. You feel playful, and this childlike curiosity comes up. And you're just so content to be here. And you even just touch the ground, and you put some snow into your hands and you form it into a ball. Start playing with the snow that you have around you, just spinning and looking up and seeing as the snowflakes still touching your coat, your skin, your face. And you feel so present and just one with nature and with the snow and with this beautiful scenery. And you feel like that nothing else really, there's nothing else that could make you happier in this moment. Just you outside in nature, in brightness. Such a pure place to be. And you feel like this purifies your whole body and soul as well. You feel light and happy and joyful and excited for life, for everything that is coming, that is yet to come, and yet to be formed in your physical world. And now you're in this dream space. You put your hands on your heart space and you just tell a little prayer for seeing how far you have come so far. And being so grateful for being here, being in this magical forest, in your imagination, and knowing that you are a powerful creator. I am really capable of creating this magic around me. And the answer is yes. Yes, you are. Now you start to walk back slowly, coming back to where you have started from the room or the place where you're sitting at this current moment. Slowly saying goodbye to this magical place, to this forest with the snow, and knowing that you can always come back for more inspiration and joy and happiness to this place wherever you feel like you need a place of peace. You're coming back to the room, back to your body. Now I want us to take 3 more deep breaths in together. Let's take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it at the top. And exhale. Taking another deep breath in through your nose. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And exhale. For the last one, inhale. Joy, happiness, excitement, lightness to your body, and all this fresh air. Inhale. Let this energy fill your body, fuel your body. that you can expand later on to the word. And slowly exhale. Now, move your neck a little bit, your shoulders in place. Moving your body as you feel like it's telling you that need to be moved. And slowly coming back to our call to this moment with others. Whenever you're ready, let's open our eyes and celebrate this amazing Sunday.